Come with me as I learn how to plug a tire. Am I just like, I just get it?
Yeah.
Is this gonna explode?
I feel like I picked the wrong place to sit if it does.
I'm scared.
It's not gonna like blow up.
Are you sure?
You sure? I mean, it's not gonna like shoot through your hand. Keep a hand over it.
Huh? What?
This... Yeah.
I'm so scared.
I think the nail's bent because it only wants to move this way. Alright, now I can grab it with some pliers. Make sure you point it at you.
Thanks so much.
Alright, now that we got the nail out. Alright, go for it.
What am I doing?
Push it all the way in.
All the way?
Yeah, just twist it back and forth. Yeah, twist it. You just gotta work it in there. And... Some strong off-roading tires.
That's why I got them.
Are you recording? Oh, see how easy that was? Just no edits. Real time. Make sure the hole's big enough, goes all the way through so the plug can do its job. Piece of cake. These bad boys. Spread the little noodle. Get it about halfway.
It's going in.
Yeah, once the fold gets over, you'll see it start to sink in. And then just make sure you don't push it too far. You can use that little stopper to hold that. There it is. And then take your little wire cutters if you're fancy and cut that off.